Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit the bell button for more updates. And now let's get started. So today we'll be making pasta with ground chicken, and I will show you the way I make it at home for my family. And hopefully if you follow my recipe, you guys will enjoy it too. First, I'm going to boil my pasta. Today I took shell pasta. You can use any type of pasta you want or you have, but today we're going to be using these shell pasta, and I'm going to add a drop of oil and salt to this water. Okay, so let's get to the ingredients now. I have some ground chicken here that we're going to use today. And then I have some chopped garlic here, some dry red chili, green onions, and then some regular onions. And we're also going to use some tomato sauce. You can use any brand, but this is the one I'm going to use today. And you could also use cheese, but today we're not going to use any cheese. I'm going to cook the ground chicken now in some hot oil with some spices, and following that I'm going to be adding all the other ingredients. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of allspice and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add some coriander powder, about 1 teaspoon, followed by 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to cook this ground chicken for a few minutes with all these spices until it's completely cooked. Now I'm going to add all the other ingredients. First, I'm going to add the garlic, followed by onions and dry red chili. I'm going to cook the ground chicken with all these other ingredients for a few minutes until everything is cooked. And my pasta is almost ready. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs with my ground chicken. I'm adding a little bit of salt to the eggs. Once you drain the water from the pasta, I like to run cold water through it just so the pasta is not sticky or stuck together. Now I'm going to add the tomato sauce. You can add as much as you want. This is really based on preference. I like medium to 2 tablespoons. These are the last 2 ingredients I'm going to use. One is ketchup and the other one is chili garlic sauce. Okay, now I'm going to stir the pasta with all the sauces for a few minutes. Before finishing off, I like to add some green onions to my pasta just for a nice flavor. Okay, so that is it for today. I hope you guys liked my pasta recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, leave me some comments, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time.